So welcome dear students, let us see the factors while selecting the measuring instrument for this class. The factors considered while selecting the particular measuring instruments are accuracy required from the instrument. So what we require, first one is accuracy. This is very important for us when we select the instrument. The second one is time of final data required. So when you require this data, that is at the time of measuring. So when you are measuring it, so what is the data we require? The third one is type of data to be displayed. So what type of data we want? That is indicating, recording, integrating, photography, etc. So what type of data we require is the third one. The fourth one is the type of quantity to be measured, that is constant or variable. So what type of quantity you are measuring, that is the fourth one, which is very important while we are going to select the measuring instrument. That is, next one is the fifth one is the cost of measuring instrument. So what will be the cost of this measuring instrument? That also is one of the parameters which is responsible for selecting the measuring instrument. The next one, that is the nature of quantity to be measured. So what type of quantity you are going to measure? That is whether you are going to measure hot, whether you are going to measure cold. That is very important for us when we measure. That is nature of quantity to be measured. And then sustainability to environmental disturbance. So how much it can sustain, that is very important. Then suitability for a given application. So how much suitable it is for that given application, that also determines what type of measuring instrument we are going to choose. Then ease in calibration when needed. So how easily we can calibrate this equipment, that also is very important when we are determining this measuring instrument. Then the last, that is adaptability to different sizes. So what are the different sizes, how it is going to adapt? Then the safety in use, how much safe this instrument is there in use. Then maintenance and repair required. So how best you can repair it, how best you can maintain the equipment. Running cost, so if I am using it, what is the cost that is required when I am using it? That is fuel required or any other material that is required which is a consumable. So for that, what is the cost? Then dynamic response characteristics, that is input versus time. So that is whether this input signal is time dependent or what. That is also a factor which determines the selection of measuring instrument. So these are the different factors that are responsible in measuring instrument. So in the next class we will take up the different measuring instruments. Thank you.